Hello and welcome to the Ken Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast, looking at recent criminal and domestic violence cases. And here we look at the case of S.T.T versus M.T.M. In domestic violence cases and restraining order cases, they use the initials. Okay, so here the defendant appealed the FRO, final restraining order, entered against him. The married parties had 2 children, and plaintiff alleged defendant committed the predicate acts of harassment and assault and committed prior acts of domestic violence. Plaintiff contended defendant pushed and shoved her numerous times during an altercation. Defendant asserted they had a verbal argument and plaintiff pushed and scratched him. A police officer testified that following plaintiff's report concerning the alleged incident, the officer did not observe any signs of physical violence for either party. The trial court found the plaintiff was a more credible witness and defendant lacked credibility based upon his demeanor and was argumentative. The trial court also based its determination of defendant's credibility on his actions and claim of a medical emergency at a prior hearing. The appeal court found the trial court erred on its credibility determinations because it relied on information and events outside of the trial record. So the court determined it can't use other evidence. So the trial court focused on defendant's purported medical emergency at a prior proceeding. There was no testimony or evidence concerning the emergency during the FRO trial, but the court relied on the claimed emergencies to support the credibility finding. So the FRO was reversed. For more information on restraining orders and criminal cases, visit website njlaws.com. For representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-05.